Hey folks, Brennan here, and I recently had a customer reach out asking how to connect up your new SF10 directly to a receiver. Here I've got a REX 12 receiver with the independent power output, and I'll go through two really quick ways of connecting it up. What you see here is the first way of connection. This is really good because we've got two batteries into a redundancy switch. One of the outputs actually goes into the REX 12 receiver, which is this MPX connection, and the other one goes into the SF10 Pro. And just to prove a point, I do have a servo running off the SF10 Pro. This is really good because it gives you redundancy. So you can power servos out of your receiver, and if I can, I'll just plug this into port 1 just to prove a point. So we have signal coming out of a receiver as well, and this whole system has dual battery redundancy. So you've got power going to this Smooth Flight 10 Pro, and you've got power going to your REX 12 receiver. In a dual battery setup, this is a dual redundant setup, you could say. The second way is to power the SF10 Pro directly out of your receiver using the supplied cable that comes with the SF10 Pro. What this cable allows you to do is, and I'll just disconnect some things while I'm on camera, is allows you to, you also notice that this is still powered through the receiver cable. However, this isn't going to be enough to power all your servos. So this is only a backup for your power. Anyway, I'll plug in this cable here, which is the 2JR cable. And these can actually just be plugged straight into your REX receiver, into any channel that provides power. And now, demonstration, I have power on my servo, but I also have power on the SF10. Okay, so this is still a dual battery redundant setup. If you want to, you can power the SF10 Pro directly off the REX receiver. What's really cool about this is you can also run a second receiver like this out of the SF10 Pro. Just run this in dual path mode. Plug that into your SF10 Pro as your second receiver, and you've got dual receiver redundancy and dual battery redundancy as well. You can also run this system a 900 megahertz and an RC switch. The RC switch is compatible with your dual battery backer multi-switch. We have a little cable which goes from our white connector, which is our XH connector, to a JR style connector for that exact purpose. It is available online. So yeah, that's a really quick way of setting up your new SF10 Pro with a single REX receiver. Thanks for watching, guys.